Learn about Hmong ethnic costumes, review and analysis. The Hmong people, a distinct ethnic group found primarily in the mountainous regions of China, Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand, have a rich tapestry of cultural traditions. One of the most striking aspects of their culture is their intricate and symbolic ethnic costumes. This review and analysis aims to delve into the nuances and significance of Hmong ethnic costumes. Historical background. The Hmong have a storied history that spans thousands of years. Being traditionally hill farmers, their lives and customs have been shaped by the rugged terrains they've inhabited. Their costumes, like many aspects of their culture, have evolved as a reflection of their history, environment, and social dynamics. Components and features of Hmong costumes. Pleated skirts, a staple for Hmong women. These skirts often contain multiple yards of fabric intricately folded to create pleats. The colors, predominantly blue or black, symbolize the sky and earth, central elements in Hmong cosmology. Embroidery. Hmong embroidery is nothing short of art. Rich in symbolism, the patterns often narrate stories, beliefs, and daily life motifs. Animals, agricultural tools, and natural landscapes commonly feature in these designs. Silver jewelry. Both men and women adorn themselves with silver, which holds cultural and aesthetic significance. Silver coins, chains, and large neck rings can be seen during festivals and special occasions, signifying prosperity and status. Headdresses. Particularly unique to the Hmong are their varied headdresses, often reflective of one's marital status and age. These range from simple, embroidered bands to more elaborate constructions adorned with silver. Symbolism and social significance. Hmong costumes are not just about aesthetics. They carry significant social meanings, identity. Each costume can help identify which subgroup or clan of the Hmong community an individual belongs to. For instance, the white Hmong can be distinguished by their white pleated skirts, while the green Hmong are recognized by their embroidered panels. Status and life stages. Costumes can indicate marital status, age, and even personal achievements. Changes in headdresses or additions of specific jewelry pieces can signify milestones in a woman's life. Spiritual beliefs. Some patterns and accessories are believed to provide protection against evil spirits. These designs are passed down generations, maintaining both their aesthetic charm and spiritual significance. Modern influences and evolution. In the modern era, Hmong costumes are seeing changes. Urbanization, globalization, and exposure to other cultures have influenced traditional designs, introducing new materials and motifs. However, many Hmong communities, especially those in diaspora, are consciously working to preserve the traditional essence while incorporating contemporary touches. Conclusion. Hmong ethnic costumes are a vibrant testament to the community's rich history, social fabric, and deep-rooted beliefs. While they are undoubtedly beautiful, the true beauty lies in their depth of meaning and their ability to narrate the stories of a people. Whether you encounter these costumes in a museum or during a Hmong festival, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and the tales they tell. Thank you for watching.